I'm Stephen. I've taught cello for over 20 years, working with students ranging from young beginners to adult students. I enjoy guiding students through their challenges, watching them grow and express themselves through music. My goal is to support your unique musical journey by providing the same high-level, focused instruction through online lessons that I do in person. My teaching style is rooted in the traditional methods such as Fouillard method, while using a more direct approach through Suzuki and Essential Elements materials. I offer specialized preparation for the ASTA CAP examinations and the RCM certificate program. Please sign up for a trial lesson so that we can explore your interests together. Outside of music, I enjoy walking, cooking, and spending time with my grandchildren.